Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this PUREMIC, and it is a wireless microphone used in multiple ways. So I'll show you guys what it is in here. See, we got the box empty. Here we go. Here we go. Here we have the box. And in here we have the PUREMIC, the microphone here. Looks like it's got some buttons there for volume and power and different settings. Let's see. We have this is going to be the receiver that we're going to plug into our aux port on our car or speaker or whatever. And then here is a USB to, looks like USB-C charging cable. Yes, USB to USB-C, so we can charge it up. And then the instructions here. So let's try this thing here. I have a Bluetooth speaker here. I think it's on. Let me try plugging it in. It has an aux port. Not sure what that means. I guess that means it's on. And then if I turn this on, I don't know. Let's see if we do this. I've never done this before. I don't know if I need to plug this in. Does this need to have power too? I think this little device needs power too. I got so many different little wires and stuff here. Let's try to plug this in and see if we can get it to work. Oh, it looks like it has, this must be rechargeable as well. So this recharges and it's got the little blue light on it. So it's on without even being plugged in. So let's see now. Oh, it's on. Oh, yeah. Hello. I guess, here you go. You can hear me. And then I have a volume. Let's see if the volume, oh, the volume does work. So there it's off. And then now it's going louder and louder and louder.
Male effect.
Male. Oh, hello. Wow. Let's see.
Female effect.
Hello. Oh, look at that.
Children effect.
Hey, how are you? See, it's coming out of this tiny little speaker.
Monster effect.
Oh, I'm a monster. That one sounds weird.
Standard.
Okay. Ah, that sounds like me. Okay. I guess that's probably the way I would do it. So this would be great. So I have this little speaker, and I could just take this with me anywhere. I could unplug all these wires from it.
Living room effect.
Whoop. Hello. Oh, now we're back to echo again. So this is a big living room. Oh, I don't know what I pushed. Hello. Did I turn off the sound? Well, I think maybe I turned off the sound. Hello? It says it's on. Hello? Oh, there it is. Okay. I guess I must have unplugged it. Haha. Oh, there. You guys can hear now.
Male effect. Female. Children. Monster. Standard. KTV effect.
KTV. I don't know what that means.
Living room effect.
Living room. Those two sound the same.
Male. Female
well,
effect.
You get the idea. It's got all those different effects built into the microphone. And so I can just plug this in, plug this into the car, and I'm ready to go. Or I could just, let me just turn this speaker off. Now we're just a tiny little junky speaker. But you can see, all you have is these two things here and you can plug it into anything and have your own little karaoke night. So how cool is that? That's really sweet. So I'm going to say this is pretty awesome. I'm going to keep it and probably put it into my Tesla if I can find a port that'll support this. And then we can play when we play car karaoke and stuff to use it in there. So super neat. I like it. Thumbs up.